excited about the improvements we've made to the process of personalization in dotCMS 5.2. What dotCMS 5.2 allows you to do now with personalization is actually personalize content for different visitors at a content block level or the container level in dotCMS. And so what we're looking at here is this is a new starter site that's going to be shipping with dotCMS 5.2. It might come actually it might come after dotCMS 5.2, but we'll be shipping here shortly. But the starter site's a fresh take on a modern website. It's a resort site that has different resorts in different areas of the world. Also has a nice travel blog. It also has a shop with a fictitious e-commerce shop. So it's really going to be a nice platform to display all the different capabilities and flexibility of dotCMS. Well, let me show you a little bit how personalization in dotCMS 5.2 works. If I go to the back end of dotCMS 5.2, and you can see here I can browse our new starter site, and let's say I wanted to begin by personalizing the home page. You can see here this bar has been updated a little bit cleaner, and you can see here I'm previewing it as a visitor on different devices. I can see what it's going to look like on a phone. But if I wanted to personalize this page based upon some characteristic of the visitor, the first thing I do is create that new visitor persona, right? And so in this case, maybe I want to personalize it for not so much a lover of winter sports, but a sun lover. And I can click, and it's going to pop open the Add Persona window, and I can create a new persona right from this screen. And so now you can see here that I'm looking at this page as this particular sun lover here. I can take this page, I can say I want to edit this now as the sun lover, right? And you can see here now I have two personas, and this page has been personalized as a sun lover. And that means the changes that I'm going to make to this page are only available to people who have been personified as sun lovers. So instead of this banner, maybe I'm going to add a new banner here. And I'm going to say, okay, we want a new banner, and I'm going to create a banner. Let's call this Come to the Sun. And have different layouts. Let's select that layout, caption, resort awaits. Learn more. And here I can choose a new banner image, Fiji. It's automatically going to be uploaded. And this is going to be sun lover, Fiji, beach, however you want to categorize and tag that. And the link's going to go to destinations Fiji. So I can save and publish that piece of content. And coming back to our home page, you can see here I can preview the home page as a sun lover. I can preview it as what the default visitor is going to see. So now that I've personalized the page for a sun lover, let's say I want to create a rule that's going to automatically drop a visitor into the sun lover bucket when they come and visit the page. Now these rules can have a whole ton of conditions that can be read based upon the visitor's context, and based upon them can perform actions on the visitor object themselves and actually trigger the personalization. So this is going to be has looked at Fiji. And our condition here, and these conditions are out of the box, but you can create custom conditions based upon your own business needs. But if you want to say, for example, has visited a URL that contains the word Fiji, And so what this is going to do is basically take a look at the visitors, to track the visitors' click stream through the site, and if they visited a page that contains Fiji, well, what we're going to do is we're going to automatically drop them into the Sunlover bucket. And so we activate that rule, and coming back to the page as a front-end user, and let's say I'm a front-end user browsing around, and I come and I spend some time on the Fiji landing page. And now when I go back to the home page, you can see now that the home page has been personalized to me based upon the persona that I've been dropped in. And you can really modify an entire page based upon the persona of the visitor there, and you can have as many personas as you want. Personas, and they can live on, if you're multi-tenant environment, then they can live on different hosts or different sites in dotCMS, et cetera. So it's a really powerful new feature to be able to provide entirely different pages based upon the persona of your visitors. And in dotCMS 5.2, we've tied the process up so that the personalization can all be done within context of the page. That you can, add personas. You can build rules that trigger those personas based upon custom logic, and we've worked hard to bring that all together in the single editing interface. That doesn't require any coding to achieve personalization results.